The next topic, minimizing an existing deterministic finite state machine. So a DFA is given. So you have already studied what is non-deterministic and then deterministic finite state machine. So I have different states. So from each and every state you have a transition. So this transition is with respect to the alphabet A and B. So from 1 you have A, B, from 2 you have A and then B, so on with respect to all 6 states. Whatever is existing, you have to minimize it. That is, for example, I can consider this particular transition 1. So from 1, transition A, it goes to 2. So from 5, if I read A, it goes to 2. So from 3, if I read A, once again it goes to 2. So from all 3 states, if I read A, it goes to state 2. So likewise, there might be cases with respect to different states. So checking each and everything and redrawing it, it should satisfy each and every condition. So instead of checking for each and every state like this, you have a procedure. Okay. So step by step procedure using which you can minimize the existing DFSM. So we shall see what are the different procedures, different steps. Okay. So this is the starting state 1. 2 and 4 are accepting states. So altogether I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 states. So I have to make set of states. Okay, so I'll be getting 2 sets. One is with respect to final state and one more is the remaining state. That is, in this particular example, so I'll consider the initial class. Altogether I have 6 states. I'll make a set of 2 things. The first one is the final state. Final state is 2 and 4. 2, 4. My another set will be the remaining states, that is 1, 3, 5 and then 6. Okay. So you're done with this final state and then the remaining states that you have. So once you're done with this, we shall see whether the set of states that you have taken, whether further splitting is required. So how to check whether splitting is required or not? So you're doing with this with respect to the transition that you have for the alphabets given. So right now here it is A, B from each and every state. So I'll consider at step 1. It's step 1. So I'll consider this set first, 2 and 4. Okay. So from 2, if I read A, to which state will it go to? Okay. Similarly, from 2, if I read B, to which state will it go to? So I have 2 here. So from 2, if I read A, it goes to which state? It goes to 3. Okay. So from 2, if I read B, it goes to which state? It goes to 6. Okay. So from 2, if I read A, it goes to 3. From 2, if I read B, it goes to 6. So in this set, check where is 3. So from 2, if I read A, it goes to 3. So 3 is present in this particular set. So I have to write the entire set here. That is, from 2, if I read A, it goes to 3. So write the entire thing. 1, 3, 5 and then 6. Similarly, from 2, if I read B, it goes to 6. So where is 6? 6 is in this particular set. So write the entire thing. That is 1, 3, 5, 6. Similarly, in this set I am done with 2. Now do the same with respect to 4. That is, from 4, if I read A, to which state will it go to? So I have 4 here. So from 4, if I read A, it goes to 6. So 6 is present here. Write it. 1, 3, 5, 6. From 4, if I read B, from 4, if I read B, it goes to 5. So 5 is present here. So write this 1, 3, 5, 6. after considering all the transitions, you can see, notice that 1, 3, 5, 6, everywhere you got the same set of states. Since the set of states are even everywhere, no splitting is required. Okay? So just write no splitting is required. Okay? So I'm done with this. Okay, I'm done with this. Now I'll do with respect to this set, that is 1, 3, 5, 6. So with respect to 1, I'll consider AB. With respect to 3, I'll consider AB, 5 AB, 6 AB. Okay. So I'll write it here. So from 1, if I read A, what happens? So from 1, when I read B, to which transition it goes? So from 1, if I read A, it goes to 2. From 1, if I read B, it goes to 4. Okay. So from 1, A, it goes to 2. So what is this 2? 2 is a set of 2, 4, right? So I can't write only 2, I have to write 2, 4. So similarly, from 1, if I read B, it goes to 4. So I can't write simply 4, I should consider 2, 4. So from 1, if I read A, it is 2, 4. Similarly, from 1, when I read B, it is 2, 4. So I'm done with 1. Now I'll check with respect to 3. So from 3, if I read A, from 3, if I read B. So from 3, if I read A, it goes to 2. So I have to consider 2, 4. From 3, if I read B, it goes to 4. So I have to consider 2, 4. Likewise, 2 for everything. So when you check for everything, you will be left out with, this will be 2, 4. 2, 4. So I am done with 1, 3. Next I will consider with respect to 5. So from 5, if I read A, it goes to 2. So I will write 2, 4. From 5, if I read B, it goes to 4. So it is 2, 4. Next I will consider 6. So from 6, if I read A, from 6, when I read A, it goes to 6 itself. Okay. So where is 6? 6 is present in this set. So it will be 1, 3, 5, 6. So from 6, if I read B, it loops itself. So 6 is present here. So it is 1, 3, 5 and then 6. So when I considered this, when I check the transition, you can see that for 1 to 3 and 5, you got the transitions as 2, 4 itself. But with respect to 6, when you read A and B, you got something else which is unlike the other states. So what you have to do is, since it is not even, you have to do splitting. So just write splitting is required. Splitting is required. So how to split? This 2 and 4, you didn't have any changes, so this will remain as it is, that is 2, 4. But when you were checking out with respect to this set, for 1, 3, 5 you got the same, for 6 it was different, so just split it. So your one set will be 1, 3, 5, your other set will be 6. So at step 1, at the end, you are left out with this set. Now step 2, okay, at step 2, the same procedure you have to repeat. So once again you have to check with 2, 4 and see whether splitting is required. Check with 1, 3, 5 and see whether splitting is required. 6, you have only one state, so you can't split it again, so this will remain as it is. So we shall go to step 2 now. So the same thing I wrote it here. Now at step 2, once again consider the same thing, that is 2 and 4. So from 2, if you read A, to which state will it go? From 2, if you read B, to which state will it go? Okay. So in the previous example, not previous example, here you can check that from 2, if I read A, it goes to 3. Okay. So from 2, if I read A, it goes to 3. So where do you have 3? You have 3 here. So here right now it will be 1, 3 and then 5. Next, from 2, if I read B, where will it go? So from 2, when I read B, it goes to 6. So I have just 6 here. So it will be 6. I am done with 2. Next I'll check with respect to 4. So 4, comma A. So from 4, if I read A, it goes to 6. 6, I have only 6 here. So it will be 6. Next, from 4, if I read B, it goes to 5. So 5 is here. So I'll be getting 1, 3, 5. You can notice here 2A, 2B, 4A, 4B, whatever you got here is completely different, the transitions. So what you should do, you have to split 2 and then 4. So once you're done with this, write down splitting is required. What should I split? I will split 2 and 4 because the transitions that I got is different. So when I split it, my new set of states will be 2, then it is 4, and this is as it is 1, 3, 5 and then 6. So at step 2 itself, I am done with this. Next I will check with respect to 1, 3, 5. Okay, I'll check with respect to 1, 3, 5. So from 1, if I read A, to which state will it go? So from 1, if I read A, it will go to 2. Okay, so from 1, if I read A, it will go to 2. So this is a new set here. So I have directly 2. So directly I will write 2. Next, from 1, if I read B, from 1, when I read B, it goes to 4. So I have 4 here. So directly write 4. Similarly, check with respect to 3 and 5. Okay. So from 3, when I read A, you can check the diagram. It goes to 2. So from 3, when I read B, it goes to 4. Next 5. 5, when I read A, it goes to 2. From 5, when I read B, it goes to 4. So when I considered 1, 3, 5, you can check that all the states are same. Since everything is same, no splitting is required. So this was the final state that you got, the previous state. So 2 and 4 I couldn't split. 6 also I can't split more. So 1, 3, 5 was remaining. You have already checked with 1, 3, 5. So after checking, you got to know that no splitting is required. So you need not find out what happens at next step. So since this will not change. So we shall write the final thing as it is. Copy the same value. That is, I have 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 6. You have minimized the existing deterministic finite state machine. So you have minimized this minimized it. Now you have to draw the DFA again. Okay. So you can take it in any order. So I'll start from, since the starting state was 1, I'll consider 1, 3, 5 first. So start. So here you had start as 1. Okay, start as 1. Now you will not write it as 1 because 1 is a set considering 1, 3, 5. So instead of writing 1, you will write 1, 3, 5. So it will be 1, 3, 5. Okay, so this is the starting state. The other state that you have is 2. One more state is 4. The other state is 6. So since 1 was the starting state, this entire state became the starting state here. So what about the final state? So in the given finite state machine, you know that 2 and 4 are the final state. So you have 2 here and 4 here. So this 2 and 4 becomes the final state. Okay. 2 and 4 becomes the final state. Next, you have solved the procedure, right? So check that and write the transition. So here you can see that, so 1, 3, 5. Okay, 1, 3, 5. When you check, when it reads A, to which state will it go? It will go to 2. If it reads B, to which state will it go? It will go to state 4. So from 1, 3, 5, if I read A, it goes to 2. If I read B, it goes to 4. So I have checked with 1, 3, 5. Now check with respect to 2. Okay. So you can check the diagram. So from 2, if I read A, okay, so from 2, if I read A, it goes to 1, 3, 5. From 2, if I read B, it will go to 6. Next from 4 if I read A, from 4 if I read A, it goes to 6. From 4 if you read B, it will go to, so you can check the states. From 4 when you read B, it will go to 1, 3, 5. Okay, so you got this from all these steps. Okay, so 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. So no splitting is required. This will remain as it is. So the transition will directly go to 1, 3, 5. So you're done with 1, 3, 5. You're done with A, B. So from 2 also you have written A, B. From 4 also you have written A, B. Now with respect to 6 you have to consider A and B. So here from 6AB you checked, you got the transition as 1, 3, 5, 6. But what happened to this particular 1, 3, 5, 6? It was further splitted and you got it as 1, 3, 5 and then 6. So in 6 what happens? If you read A and B, it loops to itself. So from 6, if you read A and B, it goes to same state. So from each and every state, A, B transitions are done. So this is the minimized deterministic finite state machine from the existing DFSM. We shall see one more example. So this is the deterministic finite state given. You have to minimize this. So for initially you have to consider the initial classes. So you have to write the set with respect to final states. So here the final state is Q1 and Q3. So here it will be Q1 comma Q3. Then remaining things. So what is remaining? Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. Q2, Q4, Q5 and then Q6. So done with this, then step 1. So it's step 1. So I have to consider Q1, Q3 here. So Q1, if I read A, to which state will it go? So from Q1, if I read B, to which state will it go to? So from Q1, if I read A, it goes to Q2. So where do you have Q2? Q2 is a set here, so write the entire thing. So it will be Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. Similarly, write with respect to the rest. So when you continue, you will be getting the transitions like this. So you can notice that everywhere it is the same. Since it is same, no splitting is required. No splitting is required. So from the initial class, I am done with Q1, Q3. Now we shall do the same with respect to Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. That is, so from Q2, when I read A, to which state will it go? So from Q2, if I read, to which state will it go? So from Q2, if I read A, it goes to Q3. So Q3 is here, so I have to write this Q1, Q3. Next, from Q2, if I read B, it goes to Q5. So I have to write Q2, Q4, Q5 and then Q6. So from Q2, when I read A, it goes to Q3, that is this one, Q1, Q3. So from Q2, when I read B, it goes to Q5. So Q5 is present here, so I'll write it Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. So I have written with respect to Q2. Do the same with respect to Q4, Q5, Q6. After solving, you will get these values. So this was the initial class. So when I solve with respect to Q1 and Q3, no splitting is required. So when I tried to solve with respect to Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6, I got this. So here you can check that they are not alike. Okay. So from Q2, when I read A, I got Q1, Q3. So from Q5, when I read A, I got Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. So here I got Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6, even here the same. So when I consider B, once again the transitions are different. So check whether any of the set gives you the same set of values. That is, here you can notice Q4 when read A, it gives this one. Q6 when it reads A, it gives the same set of values. Q4 when it reads B, it gives Q1, Q3. Q6 after reading B, it gives Q1, Q3. So Q4 and Q6 will give same set of transition. Okay. So we shall check with respect to Q2 and Q5. So Q2 and Q5, so this is different. Here I have Q1, Q3, here it is Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. So here now splitting is required. Okay. Splitting is required. So while splitting here, this will remain as it is since no splitting was required. It is Q1, Q3. So when I consider the next one here, Q2 is different. Okay. Q4 and Q6 gave the same set of value. Next, Q5 was different. So after splitting, you got this. So I am done with this. Next, at step 2. So at step 2, what you have to do? Once again, consider Q1, Q3. Check the transition with respect to A and B and see whether splitting is required. So Q2, however, it is single state, no splitting is required. So Q4, you can't split it anymore. Okay, Q4, Q6, I have 2 states. Once again, you have to check whether splitting is required. Okay, so do for this set and then this one. So when I solve this with respect to Q1 and Q3, I got Q2, Q2, Q4, Q6, Q4, Q6. So it is same, so no splitting is required. So I am done with Q1, Q3. Q2 is not required. Q5 is not required. Now we shall check with respect to Q4 and then Q6. When I solve it, I got Q5, Q5, Q1, Q3, Q1, Q3. It is alike, so no splitting is required. I don't have anything more to split, so it will stop here. So this will be the final minimized DFSM. So I'll write it again. So that is Q1, Q3, Q2, Q4 and Q6, that is previous step where splitting was not required, and Q5. So you have minimized it. Now you have to draw the DFSM for this DFA. So Q1, Q3. So in the given question, Q1 was the starting state. Okay. So wherever you have a set with respect to Q1 will be the starting state, and wherever you have Q1 and Q3 will be the final state. So here I'll consider this Q1, Q3. So next I'll write Q2. Next I have Q4, Q6. And next is Q5. So Q1 was the starting state, so this becomes the starting state, and then Q1 and Q3 was the final state. So Q1 and Q3 I have it here itself, so this itself becomes the final state. So once you're done with this, according to whatever you have solved, check A and B to which state it goes to. So when you check it out, so from Q1 and Q3, if I read A, it goes to Q2. See the diagram and then the procedure. From Q1 and Q3, if I read B, it goes to Q4, Q6. Next from Q2, if I read A, it goes to Q1, Q3. If I read B, it goes to Q5. Next from Q4, Q6, if I read A, it goes to Q5. So if I read B, it goes to Q1, Q3. From Q5, if I read A, it goes to Q4, Q6. If I read B, it goes to Q2. So from each and every state, I have taken the transition A, B. So this is the minimized DFSM. So I have one more example. So take down this problem and solve the problem similar to whatever I have solved. Okay. So you have to minimize the existing deterministic finite state machine. So initial class you have two sets. So final state is Q3. So one state will be Q3. So in the set you will be having Q3. So what about the next? The remaining things. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. Okay. So this will be the initial class. So solve the problem and check whether further splitting is required and draw the minimized DFSM. So you will be left out with this answer. So solve the problem and check whether you will be getting this.